Yo, 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 welcome to another day of modern day diesels. Look at this. It's a day in the life of a mechanic. This is what you call taking the whole cradle out. You remove the whole cradle, radiator, engine, generator, the whole kit and caboodle. Transmission. Y'all look like fun to work on, huh? Like it's been in a dirt pit, bogging or whatever. Look, you wanna know what it's like being a mechanic? Right? You wanna know what it's like? This is what it's like. You get to play in the dirt, man. Another Cummins down, boy. You see it, the whole cradle. Look at that. But here's his replacement. That's the new one. Modern day diesels.